Hi guys, welcome once again. In the last video we have seen how to update your data with this update button, and in this video I will show you how to delete your data when you select or enter something into this employee ID text field and you want to delete that employee ID. Then how can you delete that data? I will show you today. So first of all, we will go to our toolbox and take a button, and I will go to my property fields and I will rename it as delete button, and I will also edit the text as delete. Okay, and now I will select this update button because I have shown you some code for the update button. So just double click this update button, and if you don't know this code, just watch the last video for how to edit or update your database. And I will copy all this code from this const string to the end of this catch block, and I will use this code into my delete button in order to save time. So just go to your delete button and double click it, and we reach to its method or function, and in between this delete button click event, just paste your code which you have copied from update data. So once again, by this time you must know that this is for creating the connection with the database, and this is username and password, and in this field we write our query to connect with the database. Okay, so we will edit this query in order to delete our database. Previously we have written update query, and now we will write delete query. So I will start from here, write delete from your database dot your table name, which is this database and this table, database name and table name, and then in between here delete from database dot edata and write where your employee ID is equal to this arrow pointer edit text, which is your this text field name and arrow pointer text. So we have written delete from database.edata where your employee ID or EID, which is my column name from my database, this one EID, and this is this dot text field name arrow pointer text. And after this, all the code we don't need, so we will delete, which we have written in the last video. So my final query is delete from database.edata where EID is equal to single quote in between double quote in between plus, and then this arrow pointer your text field name for employee ID, arrow pointer text. Okay, and nothing much you need to change. Just change this message box, instead of updated, which we have written in the last video, you can write deleted. So whenever your data is deleted, then you can see the message that it's really deleted now. So let's try and run the program. Run, and it's running. My username and password, it's correct. And now, for example, I want to delete. Here you can see I have 11 entries in my database, and for example I want to delete this 11th employee ID from my database. So I will write 11 here, 11, and I will press delete, and you can see the message, it's deleted. Press OK, and when we check in the database, it's still there, but when you refresh your database with this button for refresh, you can see your employee ID 11 is gone. Once again, for example, I want to delete this employee ID 10 also. Just write it here 10 and press delete, and it shows data is deleted. Okay, and once again I will go to refresh our database from this, and your data is deleted. So in this way I have shown you how to delete your data with the help of a button. I hope you have enjoyed this video. Please rate, comment and subscribe, and bye for now.